Welcome you all to another session. So in today's session, we'll see how to make this CPU fan. So this is the final output. Just want to show you around. Yeah, and now let's see how to create this CPU fan. I close this file. Let's just create a new file name. I'll just say okay. Okay, and now I'll go to create a new sketch. Pick XY plane, and I just say okay. I turn off auto dimension. I create two concentric circles, one with diameter of 39.5 and other one with a diameter of let's say 1111.5, something like this, two concentric circles. And then I come out of sketch. I extrude the smaller one to a length of 15 mm, center one, something like this. Okay, and I just say okay. And then I will create another sketch here using YZ plane, and I just say okay. So with this I will create the fan's center profile. So for that I take a arc, just pick this edge, pick this one, and just before that I turn off auto dimension and then just say okay, something like this. So we'll constrain this, and then I will try to draw one more line, something like this, and then this distance, let's consider 19.8 as it is, and height, let's take it as 15 mm. Okay, it's already done. And then from this, the center point to the top edge, this one, let us consider to be 17 mm. Okay, and then let's try to create a tangency between these two. Okay, tangency I have created. Then I'll try to coincide this one with this one with respect to the center. So that is also done now. Okay, just need to give this dimension, let's say 15. Anyways, I'm going to convert this as a reference dimension, so no issue. I make it as reference dimension. Okay, I just finish the sketch. So my top profile is done. So now what I do, I will do a revolve and unite with the base body. So for that, I go to home, I go to revolve, pick this sketch, the axis, and just unite with the base body. So now you see the dome shape is already created. Okay, so till here I think it's okay. And then I will just apply a fillet on the top edge at the 0.5 mm fillet here. Okay, something like this, and I just say okay. So far we have done that. Created the base and then created the dome shape united to the base body, and then added the fillet now. So next I will create an offset plane of this base plane by 15 mm and just say okay. So if I go to wireframe mode, you will find the plane here. So after that, I will just try to create a sketch on the new plane which we created. Just say okay. Okay. something like this. And then I will turn off auto dimension. Then I will use studio spline to pick first point. Turned off auto dimension, just wanted to check that. And then pick this as my second point. And then I will create a profile, something like this. Okay, just say okay. Okay, this is clear. And then I can double click this, and then I can make it through points, and then try to reduce the degree, make it more curvature. Okay, this is done now. Okay, and then I have to draw another sketch. So the second sketch, I'll exit this, and second sketch I'll try to do it on the base plane itself. Just say okay. Turn off the dimension. Okay, and then I pick studio spline and zoom in. Pick first point, second point, then pick this as my third point, and then finish it somewhere here. Okay, just trying to give the curvature. Just say okay. So I have drawn one plane here and drawn one this sketch, and with the bottom plane I have done another sketch. So now we need to join these two curves by using 3D uh, 3D studio spline. So for that I pick this studio spline, yeah, and then pick this one as first one, somewhere in the middle, and then this one as my third one. Try to create that curvature. Okay. Similarly, thing like this. Created the fan as well. Just say okay. So now I can create a surface using studio surface. So this is my primary curve, and this is my second primary curve, and then this is my guide curve, and this is my second guide curve. Okay, just say okay. See, the fan's profile is now ready. I'll just apply thickness to this. A 0.5 thicken surface to it. Reverse direction. Say okay. Okay. Do don't need this surface anymore. And then I'll apply fillet here. Let's say 0.25 fillet. Edge on with the edges. Apply fillets here as well. So here I'm not able to do because it is not yet united. So what I will do first, let's unite this before this. I'll make it as a current feature. Unite this body to this body. And now you can apply fillet here, and then I can apply fillet here as well. We'll run through now. Fillet is now ready. So now I need to pattern feature. So I can search it in my command finder. Got it here, and then I want to pick the thicken surface, all these three blends, and just say vector is this one, and vector is not this one, and then I can say the center of the circle. I want 9 count around 360 degrees. Just say okay. Okay, so now you see the fan is ready. I just need to do Control W to hide all the curves, all the datums, the sketches, and then I need to unite this one with all these surfaces. I say okay. So maybe when I did this, I think I need to deselect this curve, so that's why we are getting that caution symbol. Okay, so now you see it is united. So now you can give fillet of 0.5 to 0.25 all across. What I would do, just refresh it. You need to pick the right surfaces. Okay, maybe here you see there's an issue. So what you can do, if you want, you can try to replace that surface. Okay, so now it should run uniformly the surface. See, a single shot. Yeah. At the bottom area also you can replace that. It's uniform. Now if you apply fillet, it should run uniformly. Yeah. So likewise, you can finish for all other fans as well. So this is the final output. Thank you all. See you in another video. See you. Bye bye.